what exactly unfolded at 2 a.m. inside an otherwise secure safe zone at the apartments, the lavish residence of Kareena and Saif. The intruder hid inside the house for hours. All right, this is a big scoop that we are bringing to you. Our team has been speaking to the investigators. This is not from the official statement. This is from our sources and information coming in that the intruder appears to have hidden himself inside the residence, inside the premises at least, for hours, waiting for an opportune moment to come inside and strike. He entered the building, if not the residence immediately, but the building hours before the attack. And the reason cops believe that has happened is they've checked the CCTV footage, they've tried to ascertain details. There's been no suspicious movement at least 2 to 3 hours before the incident has taken place. The cops are then investigating how did he then manage to enter not just inside the building where clearly there is security, and then manages to enter into the premises, private chambers of the family. The cops suspect, this is a suspicion, they'll of course be investigating further if there was the role of someone else, possibly known or working in the building, known to the family, because even if he's managed to gain entry into the building, is it really that easy to gain an entry into the celebrity couple's house who have, I know that Saif and Kareena keep a very strict security cordon around them, at least when they are in public. So there is every reason to believe that for their house, it would be secure as well. This is when, therefore, Mumbai police investigating further. Importantly, who rushed Saif Ali Khan to the hospital? Because those family members will be possibly not just the eyewitnesses, but they'll ascertain more details on what exactly happened. We are trying to find out details if at that point Kareena was at the house. We do know that children were, and that's why a lot of questions are still unanswered about what exactly happened. Was a door left open? Is it really that easy to gain entry into one of the biggest couple's residence as well? We are told that there are a number of CCTVs at the building. You're looking at the visuals of the house help as well. Notice the injuries on her arm, on her wrist specifically. According to our information, she is an eyewitness and she's the one who's filed a police complaint against an unidentified intruder. And I believe that she's not just a staff member, but also a nanny to the children as well. The Mumbai police also has added that Saif Ali Khan is out of danger. So that's the big news coming in. The police are investigating while there is a burglary attempt to even indulge in that crime, to gain access into the residence in a secure, safe building in an otherwise secure area of Bandra, which is high profile. There should be enough security personnel or CCTVs around, and most likely that would be at the residence as well. How can someone not only enter but stay hidden for all these hours? Joining me now is Vidya, my colleague, for the latest on that. Vidya, as more and more details are emerging, why do you think the cops believe or they suspect that he didn't just enter and strike? He could have been there at the premises hours ago.
Well, because they have searched the entire, CCTV footage for the last many hours before the entire incident, which happened around 2 o'clock. And what they have concluded from that is that he didn't really immediately enter right before the incident. And they had to look for, they're still looking for the CCTV footage, which would obviously go back to more than 2 hours. And so certainly it does seem like he was staying behind. He had stayed there, rested for a while before he actually went inside Saif's residence. Probably in waiting to see that everyone goes off to sleep, then it will be easier for him probably to steal. Whatever his intention was, that could have been done. That's one of the reasons why Mumbai police is right now going further behind in the CCTV timeline to make sure that they get further information as to what time that person really entered. They are very sure that they'll be able to nab him soon enough. But then with further details emerging, it does seem like, there will be a little while before the Mumbai police can really claim success as of now, because right now they have not been able to capture the person or get any clue as to who the person is, apart from what the maid has given in her statement. So investigations are certainly on, and they're trying to make sure that they identify and pin down this person who did this gruesome act with the actor.